the biggest challenge facing dancehall? Let's see. ER put that question to a few pundits and players in the business.
What's the greatest challenge facing dancehall right now?
Dancehall continues to struggle for legitimacy. People love it when they need to use it to promote their product, to promote themselves, when they're on campaign trails. But then when they are ready, they deny its legitimacy and its value to the society. Still the same problem, which means that dancehall continues to push against the society and make it uncomfortable with itself.
Is dancehall as relevant today as it was in the late 90s, early 2000s?
Dancehall today has transformed as the society has changed. We are living in a Jamaica that is very different. In the 90s, Jamaica was different. In the early 2000s, it was different. Things have changed so much that I'm here as a Jamaican and we talk about how the world has changed, but how Jamaica has changed. Dancehall has changed, but still doing the same things. He's talking about the desires of poor people, money. He's talking about violence. He's talking about sex. He's talking about sexuality. And right now, we have a controversy around the Hill and Gully Ride revamped rhythm because there are persons who wish it to remain in the was a mento version when it came out in the 50s, you know, that era. This is 2026. Things are different.
We have rifle, we bust them one by one.
The persons who are complaining about some of the lyrical direction just don't want that graphic stuff going out to the extent that it does. And they are Jamaicans too. They see a negative consequence. They have a right to speak out. They have a right to join the discussion.
Anthony, let all views contend. Remember, we came from an era when things were being banned from the traditional media. None of these songs would have been played on air, and they will not be. They are out there in the social media space. People choose to listen to them or not. This is the challenge we face. So we are now speaking about people's creativity and the opportunity to do what they're doing. These are not songs that are going to be played on any radio station. They will not be legitimated in that way. So the conversations that are happening seem clearly, to me, more about legislating creativity and people's choice.
The major challenge facing us, the acceptance that we're supposed to get in the world with the respect that our music deserves. That's the major challenge. How we are going to get them to see and accept and acknowledge that, yes, we contributed greatly to the world.
Watch the style, pose. No, boss a dance.
I feel like one of the biggest challenges facing dancehall music right now is globalization, because a lot of the Jamaican creators, you know what I mean, it's not like one time where we were so insulated. We are here only our music. We are here so much different types of music right now, and the sound of dancehall is not dancehall anymore. It's almost like reach a new genre right now. The sound is so eclectic. It's some little bit like hip hop. It's some little bit like this. It's some little bit like that. And then the next thing too is also, I want to say the homogeneous sound. Everybody I try sound alike. Everybody I sing the same thing. Everybody want to be a bad man. Everybody want to do this. The music is kind of dark. You know what I mean? It's not happy like one time. It not have the variation I feel like it did one time. So between them two things, I think those are two of the bigger challenges facing dancehall right now. But dancehall is a fluid genre. Dancehall will always find a way.
I picked the right one. I did I choose the wrong man.
Politics is the biggest challenge facing dancehall right now. We need to make music come back into the music and stop trying to micromanage what comes out or who is supposed to have a shot or what if let the music speak. Before, good songs used to reign. You know what I mean? And the people are noticing, and now since we've had a change and the rhythm culture has started to come back, you're seeing positivity. You're seeing things happening.
Now get the load, get the call, get the money, call, get the money, call.
The greatest challenge I see is marketing and promotion, and that may be the disconnect between an artist being a local artist versus an international artist, because it takes a lot of energy to work a record from studio to the charts, and artists need to get behind that. It's not happening yet, but it takes a team. Shaggy told me that he spends over 150,000 US to promote every single song. So there's the blueprint, it's there, but artists aren't focused on marketing and promoting their songs. After they release it, they think that's it.
What can new, younger artists do on their own without that big budget?
Set up a team. Set up a team. You cannot get where you need to go alone. Every artist needs some kind of machinery to have long-term success. You can get a one-hit, and it worked, but if you're going to repeat the process, you must have a formula for it it to work, and that formula must be entrenched in a team.
Are they getting the message?
I don't know. Some songs are working. We are not seeing songs moving from Jamaica to the Billboard charts. Last year, the only dancehall song to hit the Billboard Hot 100 was Shake It to the Max with Molly, Shensia, Skillibeng, Silent Addy. We haven't seen another dancehall song since. So it's obvious marketing and promotion is the gap.
But between DJ Mac and Crash Dummy and Stephen the Genius McGregor, there is something buzzing right now around dancehall music in Jamaica.
The bass is back. The bass is back. It's not just the piano heavy trap music sound that's going. It's resonating. Hip hop is gravitating to the WYFL rhythm. Fabulous, Remy Ma, Corey Guns, others are hopping on. So that means something is working to the international air that's tapping into that kind of rhythm. So maybe the formula was there all along and the producers are just now finding it back.
I personally think the greatest challenge is the business infrastructure side. I don't think we're lacking in creativity or resourcefulness. I think just the business part of it, where we are the only genre, to me, we're the only genre who have managed to get a lot of the looks internationally that we've had without major support. Like, there's no other genre in music, I think, that has managed to get some of the accolades and stuff that we've gone to without major backing. So I think if we had some of those things in our position, then our music would go at completely different levels.